I'm living in the fridge, 'cause I'm so sick of crooked leaders and politics, mean and hateful, spiteful and rude, stupid and violent, scary and crude. Living in the fridge is a small motel, a place to hide where I can dwell. Check right in between pickles and spam, an old turkey leg and leftover ham. I'm on the second shelf with peas and rice. That bowl of chili still smells nice. Leftover sushi in a box to go. It's cold in here, feels like snow. Meatloaf and pie, stale apple tarts, whole lot of olives and artichoke hearts. 2 jars of jelly, ain't got no lids. I'm never coming out, living in the fridge. 'Cause the world's gone nuts, I can't take no more. People mean to each other like never before. Peace sold down the river, kindness is dead. No friendly handshakes, no love in the bed. So if your mind is broke, your soul on the skids, just go to the kitchen and live in the fridge. A little overcrowded, but the rent is free. Curl up on some corn, sleep like a baby. Potato for a pillow, lettuce for a sheet. And if your feet get cold, stick 'em under them beets. The world is cruel if your skin is light. They want you dead, out of their sight. Nothing ever changes, just ask your kids. They want to grow up and live in the fridge. There's nothing else my voice can utter up here with the cheese and rancid butter. Is love enough? Will it die or live? Searching for the answer inside the fridge. Way it looks right now, I think not. Respect for others been long forgot. This is my new home. The downside is there ain't no bathroom. Living in the fridge, 'cause the world's got nuts, I can't take no more. People mean to each other like never before. Peace sold down the river, kindness is dead. No friendly handshakes, no love in the bed. So if your mind is broke, your soul on the skids, go to the kitchen and live in the fridge. Live in the fridge. Live in the fridge. Live in the fridge. Ooh.